Hi, this is a very quick video explaining how to create an index in Microsoft Word. Index is usually created prior to working with a professional book designer slash formatter, because you have to create these entries so that the person who's formatting the book knows what needs to be in the index. So we'll jump straight in and we'll start from here. So this is just a client's book. What we'll do is, let's say if we want to highlight the word leadership as an index entry, what I'll do is I'll go to references here and click on mark entry. And this is where you'll see all the options here. This is my selected word, which is leadership. And if you want to add any sub entry to it, you can just type it here. In my case, I'm not going to do that. And then these are the options you see. If you want to create a cross reference to this one, then you can just type the word here, wherever you want to cross reference it. But let's say if you want to display the current page number, you basically click on this one and it will automatically start from here. If you want to set up a page range, you can also click on this one. In my case, I'm going to go with current page. And if you want to bold italicize your entry, you can just simply click here, and then you got these three options. In my case, I'm going to mark all. This means wherever Microsoft Word see this entry, it should be a part of my index. So once you do that, you can simply close here and you'll see special sign here. This basically indicates that this is part of our index entry now. The way you turn this off is you just can click on home and simply turn this off. And I'll scroll down and I'll maybe highlight another word as well just to explain this further. So maybe I'll say empowering is the second entry for my index. So I'll just go here, reference, mark entry, same thing. I'll say bold for this one, mark all, fantastic. And then index is usually placed at the very end of the book. So what I'll do is I'll just click here. I'll generate index. I'll go to references, create an insert index. So you can, Word already have some pre-designed templates, which you can change it, but if you want to, in my case, I'm just going to go with the classic one. So I'll hit OK, and now I see all the entries. This means the words that are starting with E, they are on this empowering and this all that. And that's pretty much it. You can also, in order for you to update the index entries, the way you should do it is, let's say if you want to highlight more things here, in my case, I'll say legacy for example. So I'll mark this entry, current page, mark all. I'll close this, I'll highlight few more, maybe energy, mark entry, mark all, close. And I'll just go here and I'll update this table, my index entry. So you see now legacy and energy are now part of my index. You can just add a title on top of this one just to index entries, index. I'll turn my special characters off so that they're not very annoying. I'll apply a style to this one. And that's how you create a perfect looking index. So you just basically have to mark all the entries, and once the entries are marked, you just have to generate the index. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question about formatting or publishing a book, feel free to reach us out at hmdpublishing.com. Thank you.